able to see only the appointment information that you want to see at a quick glance is crucial to front office efficiency. With the ability to customize the operatories and the appointment views, PracticeWeb helps you easily accomplish this. To customize your operatories, go to the Setup menu, then go down to Operatories. You can click on the Add button to add a new operatory to this list, or double left click on an existing operatory to rename it or hide it if it's no longer going to be used. You can also reorganize the operatories however you need to for the best needs of your practice. Simply highlight the operatory line and use the up or down buttons. Once you've set up your operatories, simply close. Once you have organized your operatories, now it's time to set up your appointment views. To customize your appointment views, go to the Setup menu, then to Appointment Views. It will bring up a list of views that you have already created. To edit what is there, simply double left click on that item. To add a new view, click on the Add button. The description is the name of this view. This is how you identify it in the View field in your Appointment module. Whatever operatories are highlighted in the View Operatory column will be what is visible in your Appointment module when this view is selected. The providers are necessary for seeing appointments assigned to specific providers and for calculating your daily production. Typically, all providers are highlighted. The Available Rows column provides you with the different data fields that can be seen when assigned to an appointment. If you highlight the data field and then click on the right arrow button, it'll drop it into your main list. The main list is what you'll actually see when you look at your appointment. Once you have established your main list, you can choose to have your appointment status show whether or not this patient has insurance, or the appointment confirmation color. You can also choose if you want these items to show up in the upper right-hand corner of the appointment or the lower right-hand corner based on your preference. If you'd like to change the location as it appears in your appointment view, simply double left click on that line item. And in the Alignment field, just choose whether you want it in the upper right or lower right, and then click OK. The Appointment Field Defs is a new feature to the appointment views. The Appointment Field Definitions allows you to create custom data fields for information you would like to see on your appointment. For example, if you would like to know which insurance carrier this patient has, you'd be able to see it on your appointment view. To add appointment field definitions, go to the Setup menu, and then click on Appointment Field Defs. Click on the Add button. The field name is what will help you identify what information should be entered into this field. For example, insurance carrier. Click OK to save this definition. Back in the Appointment View screen, you can also move this definition to the main list or have it appear in the upper or lower right. Again, simply highlight that definition and click the right arrow. To add it to the upper right corner or lower right corner, again, simply double left click on that line item and select whether you want it in the upper right or lower right. Once you have made your desired changes, click OK to save. Because the background color of the appointment is used to identify which provider is assigned to it, you can customize the colors of the procedure text so that you can see at a glance if this is a high production appointment or a typical recall. Click on the Proc Colors button to start your procedure colors. If you would like to add in a new code range and assign your color preference, just click on the Add button. If these are high production codes, put in that code range and click on the Change button to bring up your color palette. Once you have selected your color, click OK to save. Once all of your code ranges and color preferences have been put in, click OK. To make sure that your appointment view has the procedure colors assigned, double left click on the view. Make sure that in the main list, you have Prox Colored assigned. Whenever you want to see your customized view, in the View field, click on the drop-down menu and select your view. Now you can see your changes.